dying to know, are you feeling better?
Feeling a lot better. Not 100%, but
you guys, the weather fucking blows. Can you see this?
it's sprinkling right now.
It's actually raining. But my hair is also very greasy from sweat and water. So we haven't been getting any sun. We haven't been able to go outside and hang out and drink by the water, which would have been super cool. But we are exercising every day, and we are
Walking into people getting off the bus.
see, this is why you can't use a selfie stick in public.
Catch me outside. How about that? Catch me outside. Why is this the best song? How about that?
It's a video.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
We're in
What
the
are
Uber.
we doing?
We're in the Uber. We're about to go out for a drink.
You guys, we are so sick of the rain, and we just needed an attitude adjustment. And we're gonna go. I did need one. I was being super victim culture about the rain, so we decided to make the most of it. We're going out anyway, even if it's drizzling a little bit. And
This light is making me look way more white, even.
she's obsessed with the fact that she's not tan.
Yeah, Jill is so tan. It's kind of not
Are you
okay
jealous?
with me. I'm very jealous.
Got a little burn today.
A burn. Red is not tan.